Asha, thank you. Louisiana reports 1,600 new COVID-19 infections and 61 additional deaths. The coronavirus outbreak is now blamed on the deaths of 4,089 people in our state. The health department says it's also confirmed more than 128,000 cases.
The Louisiana Department of Health says there's been 22 COVID-19 outbreaks in daycares across the state since the pandemic started. That accounts for 75 individual infections. That's the number the health department says is expected, and it's likely there will be more exposures. We spoke with doctors today who say by and large, children are doing well with the virus. A Pediatric Infectious Disease Specialist says they continue to intermittently see a rare complication of COVID-19 in children called Multisystem Inflammatory Syndrome. But even in those cases, he says the vast majority recover.
My advice to parents is that when they think about sending a child back to daycare, that they really need to look at the processes that their daycare center has put in place. Are they requiring that their staff wear masks at all times when they are at work, and even when they're away from the children and interacting with each other?
Dr. Joseph Cantor with the State Health Department says parents should be prepared for disruptions and have a child care plan B, as there will likely be more COVID-19 exposures within daycares, and that could lead to quarantines.
Homa's fire department says a pilot did an excellent job of handling a small plane after its landing gear just collapsed. The pilot was trying to land at the Homa Terrebonne Airport just before 9 o'clock this morning when the landing gear failed and then suddenly collapsed. First responders say the pilot managed to keep the plane on the runway. Both the pilot and the passenger escaped unharmed.